Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about syllabus of social science class 9th and 10th, which is reduced recently, or we can say that 7 July 2020 CBSE has declared that 30% of syllabus has been reduced, or you can say that some chapters are deleted. So you guys are very happy to hear that, you know. अभी बहुत कम आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो नाउ व्हाट आर दीज चैप्टर्स विच आर डिलीटेड और रिड्यूस्ड? सो वी विल टॉक अबाउट दैट, एंड इट इज़ नॉट much difficult to get or scored 100% marks for you, because very less chapter now you are having, right? So before going further, we just talk about which chapters are deleted or which chapters are covered in this session 2020. So first we are going to start from 9th class, okay? So let's see what are the chapters covered by CBSE. Okay, so 9th class, when we talk about history, so coming chapters included in this chapter number 1, the French Revolution. As we all know that the French Revolution is very important chapter for 9th class. Then second chapter we have taken Socialism in Europe. Socialism in Europe, this is second chapter which is also covered by CBSE, that you will get these two chapters in exam. Now come to the chapter 3, which is also included in this syllabus, Russian Revolution, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. So these three chapters, chapter number 1, chapter number 2 and chapter number 3, these three chapters are, covered in CBSE syllabus of social science, especially class 9th. Okay, so the rest chapters, I'm not taking names, but the rest chapters are deleted in history part. So it is very good to you. History is a very difficult for children. Mostly children, they are unable to understand, and especially some chapters like French Revolution. Mostly children, they feel very difficulty how to learn questions. Basic concept is not clear for some students, right? So now going forward, we will take next level, that is geography. So coming chapters in geography, what chapters are taken in the syllabus of 9th? So chapter number 1, how can we forget chapter number 1? India, size and location. This is already important chapter, India, size and location, and it is also important chapter for geography syllabus. Then CBSE has included or covered second chapter, physical features of India. These all are related to India only. India, size and location, chapter 1, physical features of India, chapter 2. In the continuous form, they have not taken chapter 3. So we will talk about chapter 4. So next chapter is, which is covered in CBSE syllabus of 9th, especially social science, that is climate. So climate chapter is covered, chapter 4, and chapter 5 is natural, vegetation and wildlife. So these are the chapters which are covered in CBSE syllabus of class 9th, social science. Okay, so now let's see which chapters are deleted. So deleted chapters are, as I told you that I have not taken name of chapter 3. So chapter 3, drainage, which has been deleted from the syllabus of social science class 9th. Okay, so in this chapter only one thing is clear, that from the drainage chapter you will have only map work. Only map work is going to be assessed. Okay. Not theoretical part, only map work will be asked in periodic as well as whatever you can, but theoretical part is completely deleted. Now last chapter of geography, that is chapter 6, population. Population chapter is completely deleted from the syllabus. Okay, so very less chapter you are getting right now. Okay, now next part we will see. So come to the political science now. When we are going to see the chapters which are included in political science, so chapter 1 is what is democracy, why democracy. This chapter is covered in syllabus. Then next chapter in continuous form, that is chapter 2, constitutional design. It is also one of the important chapter from political science. So constitutional design is taken in this series, and continuous form में chapter 3 which is electrical politics, that has been asked. These all chapters are going to ask in board examination as well as in periodic test. Okay, then chapter 4 which is covered, which is last chapter of political science, is covered, that is working institutions. Okay, so working institution is covered in this syllabus of political science. And which chapter is deleted? Democratic rights. Democratic rights, that chapter is completely deleted. Okay, so अभी तो कुछ बचा ही नहीं है. Okay, so next part is eco. How can we forget that? Because so many children, they take interest in economics, right? So chapter 1, that is the story of village Palampur, is taken or covered in syllabus. It is going to assist in CBSE board exam. Then continuous form, the chapter 2, that is people as a resource, or you can say population also. So people as a resource, it is included in syllabus. So next chapter, that is last chapter of economics, poverty as a challenge. That chapter is last chapter which is going to assist in CBSE board examination. So it is also included. So all three chapters, chapter number 1, chapter number 2, chapter number 3, these all three chapters are covered. So all these three chapters from eco, they are going to be asked in CBSE board examination. So which chapters are deleted? Chapter number 4. I have not included that. So chapter number 4, that is food security of India. This chapter is not going to be assessed in periodic test as well as in CBSE board examination. Clear everybody? Okay. So now why don't we talk about map work? So map work में, as you know, history part में we will see chapter 1 French Revolution, chapter 2 socialism in Europe, and chapter 3 Nazism and the rise of Hitler. So these chapters are going to assist as a map. इनमें से कोई सा भी it is going to be asked. Now geography में, if we talk about map work, that is chapter 1 India size and location, chapter 2 physical features, and chapter 3 drainage. Drainage, I told you that drainage में theoretical part is not going to be asked, only map work is going to be asked. Then chapter 4 climate, and then chapter 5 in the continuous form, that is natural vegetation and wildlife, are going to be asked as a map work. Okay, so map work के अलावा अब map work में क्या क्या contents आएगा, what contents are going to be asked in CBSE board, that I am going to upload in next video. I will let you know what contents are going to be asked, what are supposed to ask by CBSE during the board examinations. So those topics I will take in next video, upcoming videos. Okay, so these are the things which these are the topics which we have discussed about 9th class social science. How many chapters are deleted, how many chapters are covered. So dear students, hope you all are going to be very, very happy in this session, and you can score 100% marks, right? So because so many chapters are deleted, it's a big task. Okay, now come to the class 10, that is going to be board exam. Okay, so अब board exam की बात हो रही है CBSE, and these the first we are going to talk about history. History में which are the upcoming chapters we will take, that is the rise of nationalism in Europe. First chapter, it is very tough chapter, you know. There are so many children, they, you know, feel very uncomfortable to study about this chapter. You know, so many contents, so many topics are very, very difficult in this chapter. So the rise of nationalism in Europe, it is very important chapter from history, and it is going to cover in CBSE board examination. So in the continuous form, chapter 2, nationalism in India, which is also included in board examination. Okay, now when we talk about section 2, there are 2 chapters, making of global world, and one more chapter, that is chapter 4, the age of industrialization. These 2 chapters are there. In these 2 chapters, only one chapter is going to be assessed in only periodic test. They are not going to ask in board examination. They are going to assist only in periodic test. Okay, so these chapters are going to be covered in history. The rest part is deleted. So guys, you are going to be very, very happy. Okay, 30% syllabus is already reduced. Your lot of burden, your lot of, you know, panic situation is going to be finished. Okay, so coming to the next point, that is geography. So chapter 1, geography, resource and development, it is covered in syllabus. Then chapter 4, in between chapter I am not including, I will talk later. So chapter 4, agriculture, that is including. Then coming to the chapter 6, manufacturing industries, and chapter 7, that is line of national economy. So lines of national economy. This chapter, yani chapter 1, it means chapter 1, chapter 4, chapter 6 and chapter 7. These chapters are covered or going to ask in CBSE board examination. Now come to the another point, that is deleted. So what are the deleted chapters? Chapter 2 I have not included in syllabus. Chapter 2, forest and wildlife, that is deleted. Then chapter 3, water resources. See children, in water resources only map work is going to be asked. In this year also only map work asked. Okay, so board examination only map work is going to ask, no theoretical part. Even in periodic test also it is not going to ask by school, right? Then coming to the next chapter, that is chapter 5, minerals chapter. So minerals chapter mein only map work. Again only map work is going to be asked by CBSE. No other work, no theoretical, no other part is going to be asked in periodic test as well as CBSE board examination. So let's see the political science, see the civics part. Okay, so civics part mein when we include, there are so many chapters are going already deleted, so many chapters, you know. Chapter 1, power sharing, chapter 2, federalism, these are important chapter and covered by CBSE. They are going to ask in CBSE board examination. These chapters are going to be assessed in periodic test as well as board examination. Then chapter 6, political parties. Then chapter 7, that is outcome of democracy. These 4 chapters are going to ask in CBSE board examination. Now what are the deleted chapters? Deleted chapters mein gender, religion and caste. Chapter 3 is deleted. Chapter 4, that is popular struggles, that is deleted. Chapter 5 and chapter 6. Chapter 5 also deleted. Okay, so these chapters are deleted. Now coming to the last portion, that is economics. Economics mein, dear children, dear student, no chapter is deleted. Okay, there are 4 chapters and all 4 chapters are going to be asked in board examination. So chapter 1, that is development, and next chapter in the continuous form, that is sectors of Indian economy. It's a very important chapter. And then chapter 3, money and credit, it is also covered. And chapter 4, globalization and the Indian economy. All these 4 chapters are going to be asked in CBSE board examination. So no chapter is deleted in economics, okay? And mostly children are happy for that, because economics, they enjoy to do that, okay? So these chapters are reduces by CBSE, and now it is already declared, it is already given notification, okay? So there is no confusion about that. So I think this year you are going to rock it, okay? अब उसमें भी you are not going to get 100% marks then. So all the best, and my upcoming videos, you don't forget to see that, okay? You like this, and my upcoming videos you will see how to, what are the topics related maps, even in 9th and 10th, what contents of taken from different chapters, what are the important contents, important topics related to map work. So that I will take, okay? So take care, all the best.